little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll learn you how to make a beautiful penguin with this beautiful jigsaw puzzle game. These are jigsaw puzzle beads. Let's start the video. I'm using here light blue color beads to make penguin's face. Color, which color do you want? I want light blue color beads. I'm making here a beautiful circle shape. I'm making here a big circle for penguin's body. Which color I'm using? I'm using here light blue color beads. Here I'm using orange color beads to make eyes and yellow color beads to make mouth. Now I'm using purple color beads to make penguin's hand. Color, which color do you want? I want purple color beads. Now I am using green color to make some bodies design. Which color I am using? I am using here light green color. Color, which color do you want? I want light green color. Now I'm making penguin's legs. Here I'm using red color beads to make some bodies design. Which color I'm using? This is red color. Color, which color do you want? I want red color beads. Finally I'm done. Wow, the penguin is looking so beautiful. This is so easy and so beautiful game. You can buy this from online. Now let's see how to remove it. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.